Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is what we are going to use for our fried rice. This is the method of using to do our fried rice. All the thing we are going to put inside. That's everything. This is our tomato. Guys, this is our crayfish. We are going to fry it, okay? I have small little ginger and garlic and small onions and small turmeric powder, okay, and salt. So I'm going to mix it to fry it, okay? So guys, so our crayfish. Guys, our crayfish is ready. It's time to pack it to our plate. So guys, let's add our jeera, our ginger paste and garlic. So guys, we are going to add our tomato, our green chili. So guys, we're going to add everything inside, okay? This is it. Guys, this is our piece of our food. We are going to add our rice.